Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the floor plan and working non-destructively. Duplicate the background layer so you can always revert. Once done, calibrate scale with rulers and a known measurement so selections stay precise. Make quick layer groups for line work, fills, and annotations to keep things organized. Now convert the duplicated layer to a smart object if you plan adjustments. This preserves quality. Make sure your workspace shows layers, properties, and channels so you can jump to masks and blending options without hunting. Next, isolate the rooms or zones you want white by using the Quick Selection or Pen tool for precise edges. The pen is best for crisp architectural lines. Once selected, refine the selection with Select and Mask to clean jagged edges and set Feather to 0. 20. 5px for natural joins. Output to a layer mask so you can tweak shapes later. Then add a white solid color fill layer clip to the mask and set blending to normal at 100% so interiors become pure white while keeping lines intact. To finish, ensure your architectural lines remain visible by placing the line work layer above the white fill and setting its blend mode to multiply so blacks stay opaque. Once positioned, use levels or curves on the line layer to recover any faded lines and apply a mask to hide white bleed or haloing around corners. If you encounter residual shading, use Select Color Range to target grays and remove them with a mask. Make small feather adjustments and zoom in to clean corners for a crisp, professional white floor plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.